Our third eye chakra is the sixth chakra, also known as our sixth sense. Its name comes from the Sanskrit word agna, which translates to perceive. The third eye chakra is located above our eyes, in between our eyebrows. This chakra is associated with our intuition, wisdom, and creativity. It is also associated with our eyes, nervous system, and sinuses. With the third eye, we can gain insight into our inner selves and our consciousness.
Welcome to day 6, the third eye. Coming to your seat. You're going to need a block today. We're going to start with our mudra and our affirmation. We're going to interlace the middle finger, the ring finger, and the pinky. So we're leaving the pointer finger and the thumb together, and the rest of them are interlaced. Sitting nice and tall, taking a nice deep breath. We're going to say, I am guided by my inner wisdom. Taking a breath. I am guided by my inner wisdom. One more time. I am guided by my inner wisdom. Now bringing the pointer fingers to touch, we're going to touch the third eye, which is that area right here in between our eyebrows. We're going to come back, bringing the elbows up, continuing to touch that area. And as we come down, we're going to bring the thumb towards our chest. Continuing to touch the third eye as we go up and down. Gently arching our neck back, gently coming forward, and breathing. Do 3 more times. 3. 2. And last one. Good. Bringing the hands down for a moment, continuing to hold the mudra. Breathing into that area that we were just pressing, the pineal gland in between our eyebrows. Focusing on that area. Breathing a dark blue into that area, like a navy blue. Picturing an eye as it opens and closes and blinks open right in that area. Good. And opening the fingers, opening and closing, and shaking them out. Great. Let's come forward in our seat. We're going to bring the knees out to the side. We're going to hinge at the waist. Now, option to bring the forearms down, or if it's available to you, crossing the hands, holding on to the elbows, releasing the head as you just dangle down. Just allowing yourself to relax. A little bit of a modified ragdoll here. Breathing into the space. Beautiful. Gently bringing the hands to the thighs if they're not already there. And bringing the head up. Good. Taking a breath here. Coming back in our seat. Bringing the hands to the chest and prayer hands. Working on circle of joy. Interlacing the fingers. Bringing the elbows up as we bring our hands up. We're going to bring the palms out. Inhale, we're going to bring the hands up above, continuing to keep them interlaced. Opening to the sides and down. Grabbing onto the chair. Inhale, we're going to bring our chest up. Exhale, we're going to bring our chest down. Good. Bringing the hands together, interlacing the fingers. Bringing the elbows up, palm out, and up above. Bringing the hands down, holding onto the chair, bringing our chest up and forward. Exhale down. Hands together, last time. Interlacing the fingers, bringing the elbows up. Pushing the palm out in front of you and bringing it up above, finding length. Opening towards the sides, holding on to the chair, bringing our chest forward and down on the exhale. And bringing the hands back to the chest where we take a breath here. Good. Now grabbing onto that block, we're going to place it about the middle in between our legs. We're going to work on revolved wide-legged forward bend. So we're hinging forward, hinging at the waist. Bring one hand to touch, so right hand touches the block. If that's too far down for you, just keeping the tips of the fingertips pointing down, that works too. You're going to bring that hand down, opposite hand goes straight up to the ceiling. See if you can hold here for 3, 2, and 1. Bring the hand down, straightening up. Good, taking a breath. Let's do that with the left hand, bringing the left hand to touch or to hold, whichever one works better for you. Bringing the opposite hand up above. Holding here for 3, 2, and 1, and down, straightening up. You're doing great. Let's do that one more time on each side. Bringing the right hand down, left arm up. Option to bend at the elbow if straightening out the arm is too much for you. Holding here, 3, 2, and 1. Bringing that hand down, making our way up. One more. Hinging forward, bringing the left hand down, right arm up. Holding here for 3, 2, and 1. Making our way back up. Taking a breath. Good. I'm going to bring the legs together and I'm going to place the block outside of my legs. You might need to adjust it a little bit. We're going to work on a little bit of a twist, so it's a little bit of a twist with some eagle legs. So I'm going to cross over and put my one foot on the ground, one foot on the block. If you don't have a block, then you can just put the foot on the ground, that's fine. That just elevates it a little bit more. Sitting up nice and tall. And grab onto the chair, we're going to twist towards the right. I'm going to place my hand on my thigh. Holding here for 3, 2, and 1. Coming back to center. Taking a breath. Moving the block to the other side. Crossing the next foot. Making sure we're sitting up nice and tall. Inhale, twisting towards the left, placing the hand on the outer side of the legs, holding on to the chair. Breathing here for 3, 2, and 1. Coming back to center. Great. Grabbing onto that block. We're bending forward. Putting the block about yay far in front of you. So wide legs, knees are out. We're going to hinge towards the waist, at the waist. And we're going to hinge forward, placing the hands on the block. Move the block closer if you feel like your arms are extended too far. So we're doing a wide-legged forward fold. Go ahead and look down at the ground. And breathe here for 3, 2, and 1. Placing one hand on the thigh, other hand on the thigh, hinging upward. Taking a breath. Good, let's do that 2 more times, hinging forward, placing the hand on the block if that's available to you, looking downward, and breathing, continuing to breathe, holding there, 3, 2, and 1, placing the hand on the thigh to make our way back up. Great. Last one. Inhale, hinging at the waist, bringing the arms down to the block. I'm firmly rooted through my legs. And holding here for 3, 2, and 1. Bringing the hand to the thigh to help me hinge upward. Good, taking a breath here. Great. Sitting up nice and tall. We're going to bring the arms up above. And exhale, bringing the arms down by the side. We're going to shrug the shoulders. Good. Now, widening the legs one more time, bringing the knees out to the side. We're going to bring both hands towards one leg. So I'm going to interlace it and bring it towards one leg, and I'm going to stretch towards that leg. If crossing the fingers is too much or going that far down is too much, option to bring the hands to the thighs as you hinge in that direction. So you don't have to be that far down. But if it's available to you, go for it. Holding there. 3, 2, and 1. Making our way up. Taking a breath. Beautiful. Going towards the right leg. Same thing, same options. Remember, you can put your hands on your thighs. You don't have to be down by your shin. Continuing to breathe. Holding here for 3, 2, and 1. Coming back to center. Bringing the legs together. We're going to bring the hands up above, continuing to have them interlaced. This time we're going to make circles above our head. Good. Bring those circles down, out in front, down by the chest. Good. We're going to go up with our circles. I want you to make circles on the right side, overhead, and in the middle, and the left, like you're painting circles on the ceiling. Good. Big circle overhead. Bring that down and by the chest. Good. We bow to one another. We say namaste.